Heidi, what are you doing? That's a really good idea. Is he feeling... Oh, great. You know, Uncle Silly Billy and Auntie Ariel will be so proud of you for checking him. Bookie, are you the mommy?
Yeah, where's the mommy?
Yeah?
She's the mommy. Remember, hey? She's the mommy.
She the mommy?
She's the mommy. She's the mommy.
Good girl.
Bookie, did you have good dreams last night?
Yeah?
What did you dream about? Babies. Heidi, what did you dream about?
Ice cream and ballerinas.
Ice cream and ballerinas. Those are really good dreams.
He's not ready yet. Oh, no. Stay.
Say I love you.
Banana.
Bye.